Hi everyone, we are in civics section, civics first chapter, that is understanding diversity. So last class we discussed what is diversity. What is diversity? Do you remember that? Yes, diversity means some different elements, and we can see this diversity in all walks of our social life, especially in the fields of, especially in the areas of family, then economic activity, then languages, etc. Okay, and we discussed all these facts in last class. So today we can see this diversity in religion, caste and religion. Okay, so in the sphere of religion also we can see a great variety. Suppose take the case of India, we can see different religions exist in India. India is a vast country and different religion exist in India. That means people follow different religions. Example, some are following Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism, etc. That means different section of the people follow different religion. Okay, and the way of prayer is also quite different from each other. Each religion's way of prayer is different from each other. How? The Hindus worship their god and goddess and offer their prayers in a temple. That is the case of Hindu people. Okay, they worship their god and offer their prayers in temple. But in the case of Muslim offers namas in a mosque. Clear? In the case of Sikh, they preach their Sikh gurus. So all are doing the same thing. They all are worshipping, but in a different way. That is the difference. That is diversity we can see in religion. Okay, so we can see that this diversity in our every walks of life, every social life. So in the case of family, take the case of children. Children born of same parents have different habits, right? Your habit is different from your sister's habit, your brother's habit. Okay, your likes are not same from your sister's or brother's likes. So that is diversity we can see in our social life. So this is the diversity we can see in caste and religion. That means the different people preach different gods. Okay, then we can see what is the need for this diversity. Diversity is needed or not. Diversity is needed because people have different skills and interests. There is diversity in all natural things and human beings. No two humans are not same. Okay, then how can we ignore this diversity? We can't ignore this diversity because our constitution, especially the Indian constitution, accepted this diversity and allowed people to follow their own faith and worship God in their own way. Our constitution also provides full freedom for the people to preach their God in your own way. There is no restriction or there is no compelling for choosing particular religion like that. Okay, so diversity is needed in our human life because no two humans are same. See, we can see that people have different skills, right? Different people are proficient in different skills. For example, one can be a good engineer or one person a good doctor, but those person may not be a good engineer or good painter. Okay, there are lawyers, engineers, doctors, farmers, teachers, technicians, then welders, carpenters, goldsmiths, drivers, producers, businessmen, shopkeepers, etc. All these type of people we can see in our society. Okay, that means all these people are endowed with some different skills. All these people have different skills. That is why they choose this profession. Based on their skill, they choose their profession. So diversity is very important in the case of these skills, right? Then next, in the case of interest, we know that people have also different interest. For example, take the case of your home. Suppose you are enjoying while reading books, but your brother likes to paint, or your brother likes to watch cricket. Okay, that means one person is interested in hockey or cricket, another person interested in swimming, dancing, acting, like that. That means people have different interest also. Every human have different interest. So diversity has its importance and need. It adds variety in our life. That means diversity is very, very, very important in our life. Okay, so we should not allow this diversity to weaken us. We should make this diversity as a sign of strength rather than our weakness. It is considered as our strength because without diversity we can't survive. Okay, because no two humans are same. That is why we need this diversity. Clear what is diversity and what are the importance of diversity? So we discuss what is diversity, then diversity in different fields, different economic fields. Diversity in family, diversity in economic activity, diversity in language, diversity in religion, diversity in skills, diversity in interest, etc. Okay, then we can discuss next portion in next class. Okay, thank you.